Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel NAB Credit Card. To cancel your NAB Credit Card, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up a web browser and then type in nab.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. This will now take you to the official website for NAB. To cancel your credit card, you have a few different options. The first option is to log into your internet banking account. Select Internet Banking from the drop-down and click on Login at the top right-hand corner. Log into your account by entering your credentials in the left-hand side of the screen. Make sure to type in your NAB ID along with your account's password and click on Login. Once you're logged into your account, find the Cards section and then choose the card you would like to cancel. Click on Close your credit card and then follow through the instructions to complete the closure process. Another way you can cancel your credit card is by contacting NAB customer service representative. From the main homepage of NAB, scroll all the way down on the bottom of the screen and click on the Contact Us button under Quick Links. This will now take you to the Contact Us tab, from where you will need to select a topic. Select any topic for now. Select your account type or any topic and then click on Credit or Debit Cards. Now that you've expanded this option, you will be able to see two different options that says Message us online or Call us. The easiest way to contact the customer service representative is by making a phone call. Go ahead and select a phone number according to your area or region and then make a phone call on the number. Once the representative picks up your phone call, make sure to mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card. But before you continue with the credit card cancellation, you must ensure that you've settled any outstanding balances on the card, redeem any reward points, and then you can proceed with the cancellation. You can also message to the customer service representative if you don't want to make a phone call. Click on this Get Answer Anytime with NAB messaging link at the bottom, and then you will be able to chat with the customer service representative using the NAB messaging platform. You can use the NAB application to start a conversation with the customer service representative by following this instruction. So that is how you can easily cancel your NAB credit card if you no longer wish to use it anymore. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.